My video guide is about removing the scary pop-ups that come from the site Venumus.click. Venumus.click is definitely a deceptive site that may suddenly attack your Google, Chrome and other browsers, especially those that are based on the Chromium open source project. Venumus.click is a site that displays pretty scary messages that try to encourage its visitors into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. The pop-up Venumus.click indicates that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. However, all this information displayed by Venumus.click is absolutely faulty and truly very deceptive. You shouldn't interact with these multiple deceptive pop-ups. They are fake and they are not related to any decent security software. So be careful, don't interact with these pop-ups. If you click on this Stay Protected button by mistake, most likely you will be redirected to some other deceptive site that may promote a totally different and potentially unwanted software. So please treat these pop-ups with caution, don't install anything that they suggest. In fact, these pop-ups in your browser could be the trace of some adware enabled in your computer. I recommend you to carefully research your system with a Combo Cleaner antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.